this video, I'll show you how you can fix Black Ops 6 graphics settings reset error on Steam. Now the first thing we want to do is verify our game files. So you want to find Black Ops 6 on Steam, and then you want to right click Properties, Install Files, and then verify integrity of game files. Once you've done that, you can just close it down, and then you want to search for Steam, right click, open file location, and then you want to do it again to get to the Steam folder. Then what you want to do from in here is you want to click up here, Control C, and then you want to come here, right click on your desktop, display settings, scroll down and go to graphic settings. Then in here what we want to do is we want to add Black Ops 6 to this here. So press browse, come up here, Control V, enter, and now it should be on the Steam folder. Then open Steam apps, common, Call of Duty, and in there should be a cod.exe file. You want to add that one, and once it's in here you want to select it, options, high performance, and save. Once you've done that, just restart your PC, and now it should hopefully work. Now another thing I suggest you do after you've added this is you want to make sure that you download the software to your graphics card. So come and search for Device Manager. Then in here, open up Display Adapters. This will show your GPU. Just Google the name of this and type in software, and it's gonna show you the one that you can download. In my case, it's NVIDIA, so just make sure you have it installed, and that's about it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.